Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So in this episode guys, I want to explain to you how we can effectively use the Ichimoku cloud. So this episode is about how to use an indicator called the Ichimoku cloud. So if you're a trader and you're looking for an indicator to use, an indicator that is for effective, it shows you momentum from the buyers and the sellers. So this is the video guys. So make sure to subscribe, stick along, watch the video from the start to the end, and let's get started with this video. The Ichimoku cloud is just like any other indicator. It's just like any other indicator, like the RSI, the moving average, the MACD. These indicators all show reversal, they show continuation, or they show momentum for either the buyers or the sellers. So let me start my screen recording just here. So the first thing you need, TradingView. TradingView this is the best platform to analyze markets, to backtest markets, and everything to do with forex. It's with analysis. TradingView is the best. So I'm opening my TradingView. This is my TradingView. So what we want to do is open any chart. I'll open Euro USD because I took a chart. I took some trades on this market, and this is the most traded currency in forex, Euro USD. So this is my Euro USD, as you can see. Let me first remove these indicators so I can show you how we apply them. The Ichimoku cloud. What you want to do is first come to the plus sign here. When you come to the plus sign, then you choose indicators. When you choose indicators, you come here, we search for Ichimoku, the Ichimoku cloud. Yeah, this one here. So when you tap it, it's automatically added to your TradingView. So this is how it looks like. This is my Ichimoku cloud. So the Ichimoku cloud is very easy to use because it just shows us just like the moving average, because it even has like my moving average in it. So this is my Ichimoku cloud, and then this is you can even see cloud. It just looks like a cloud, as you can see. Then the red part, this is mostly the selling zone, and then the green part, this is mostly the buying zone. So you can even see here we have this red and the red and blue line. This is my moving average. Then we have also this line here. So when the market is always in an uptrend, we have the market trending above the Ichimoku. So the Ichimoku cloud is below and market is above, and then even you can see moving average is below the market. So meaning the market is trading above the Ichimoku cloud. So this means the market is in an uptrend. But if the market is in a downtrend, you can see Ichimoku cloud is above the market, and then we have also the moving average above the market. The market is just here. Here is the market, and then also we have this green line. So whenever market is in downtrend, this green line has to be below the market. That's why, and the further it is from the market, the more that market is in a downtrend. Same when the market is in an uptrend, you can see the green line is like away from the what? From the market. So that's my Ichimoku cloud. So I'm going to be showing you how we use it. So to use the Ichimoku cloud, I'll need one more indicator. I'll need one more indicator, which is called the RSI. This is my favorite indicator. The RSI, you can even see here. I put a star on it, so I can just search your RSI. So the RSI is a very good indicator, because when you're using the RSI, for me, I use the RSI to find momentum in the market. If either the buyers have momentum or sellers have momentum. So when the market is above this 50 level, so these are my levels here. See, there is 50 level, there's 60 and 70. So the market is above this 50 level, it means the buying momentum is much. But the market is below, it means the selling momentum is much. So this is what I use these indicators for. So this is how we use now this market. So as you can see here, we're in a total downtrend. And when the market is below this level, this is a 30 level, it means market has been oversold. So we may see reversal at any time. So we started seeing market going back up, and then it comes down to this level. But the RSI, how we want to use the RSI, whenever these moving averages cross, as you can see here, these are RSI crossed. The moving average is crossed, and then we had market going up for just a short period of time, and then now market started forming lower lows. It started forming higher highs and higher lows, as you can see here. So when this high low was done forming, and even when you use the Fibonacci, you would see that this was just a higher high. Then we had market now shooting to the upper side, and now it starts ranging above. So the further we saw the Ichimoku cloud trading far away from the market, is it just gave us validation that this market is in really a big uptrend and it's going up for quite some time. And also we had this green line here. So I'm going to even show you something you can see, definitely see this market. You can definitely see this market. You see here, we're in a downtrend. This green line is far away from the market, and then we see the Ichimoku cloud. It's also far away from the market, and then on this other side. And also you can see up here the market was overbought, which means we may see market dropping to the downside. So this indicator, we just use it for catch big swings in the market, because whenever the Ichimoku cloud crosses also, or whenever the market crosses the Ichimoku cloud, we see markets like going to the upper side, like in a long term. So I'm going to give you an example. Let me give you an example. So this is my 4 hour time frame. This Ichimoku cloud works on any time frame. It works on any time frame. Let's change the time frame here. You can see it definitely here. We had the Ichimoku cloud cross here. Then we had market deep. So when we measure out to this, we are definitely going to see these are really big numbers. When we measure out to here, from here where, let's say from here where we had confirmation, to down around, just here. So this is 174 pips. So with any lot size that you're using, with the standard lot size, this is already $174 already. If you're using a 0.10 lot size, which is the mini lot size, that's already $174. So this Ichimoku cloud is really good to catch those big moves in the market. Those big moves, 150 pips. So if you're a trader and you're looking for a way to catch these trades in the market, I recommend you to add the Ichimoku cloud to one of your indicators. I recommend. So I'm going to do another analysis on your US 30. So this is my US 30, as you can see. So this is another trade I took on the US 30. So we had market jumping in between my channel. This is my channel here. You see, market jumping in. So what I want to take a trade. I want to take a trade when market broke out. So look at here. So if I zoom in very well, you can see when market broke out, it retested on my moving average, and then we have market dropping. It's jumping, it's moving in an upward way, but it's above my moving average. And also you can even see my Ichimoku has crossed here, and then we are seeing a big Ichimoku cloud starting to widen. We are seeing an uptrend. You get. So you can even see my green line. I told you when this green line is trending far away from the market, it means even this is like a strong uptrend. And most of you guys that trade US 30, right now the US 30 has been in a downtrend for some time. So we may see 100 pips, 200 pips to the upside, even 500 pips to the upper side. So this is a really valid trade, and the trade has just started. This trend has just started. So we are going to see market, coming to these levels. When we're using the Ichimoku cloud, we love to take profits where our market has had a strong level. So one of our strong level is up here. You see, up here is our strong level. Let me first reset this. So up here is our strong level, up here. So meaning markets are still going up here before they maybe have a correction to keep on going up. So let's measure out how much if you are to take a trade from here to up here. So this would be a very good whooping pips. Let me actually measure from where I took the trade from. I'll use this. Where is it? So when you want to measure, if you are going long on the market, you use this tool there. So I took trade around this level here. Yes. Then I increased to the upper side, and my stop loss was just a few pips. I don't have to risk so much. So let's see. So this is almost 2,000 and plus pips, guys. This is almost 2,000 and plus pips. So I'm going to stay in this market. I'm not closing my trades, and I've already made also another video about this trade. but I used the moving average, just the moving average, to explain to you how I took this trade. But now I'm also explaining to you the moving average plus the Ichimoku cloud, guys. So I'm going to also do more videos when I'm going live. Then I also take trades when you guys are seeing me, so that you know this is a valid trade. And you can even see down here we had market crossing to the upside, so meaning this is even more valid. It's a buy trade. It's a buy trade. So those guys that want to use the Ichimoku cloud, on the MT4, this is how it's going to look out. You can even see these are my euro trades that I took. So you just tap in anywhere, choose indicators, and then we shall have Ichimoku cloud just here, main window. So this is, it's like the Ichimoku cloud. Let me see, wait, the Ichimoku cloud. So when you choose it, this is how it looks like. It looks quite complex, you see. This is how it looks like. It looks quite complex than the one we have on TradingView, which I recommend you guys to use. The one I recommend is the Ichimoku cloud on the TradingView, because its settings are very nice. So guys, I'm going to go through this again. When you add your Ichimoku cloud, what you want to see momentum from either the buyers or the sellers. How do you see the momentum? When market is trading above the 50 level or trading below the 50 level. So if market is above the 50 level, it means it's in a buying momentum is too much. But if market is trending below the 50 level, it means the sellers have momentum. As you can even see at the current, we have seen our Ichimoku cloud crossing, we have seen our moving average crossing, and then we see the green line trading far and far away from the market, which makes this a valid buy trade. We can even go back and then, you know, let me first remove my RSI so that you can see these clear uptrends and downtrends. So guys, for you to use Ichimoku cloud, I use it mostly when I want to catch reversals in the market. I want to catch it when I'm catching reversals in the markets. You can see this was a steep uptrend. Look, steep uptrend to the upside. You see, to the upside. We have a green line trading from their side. We have a market, you know, and market only traces, you see, on the moving average. So this was like a very, very valid trade, guys. From down here. So most of you guys can't take trades from down here, but for guys that know about candlesticks, if you see something like, you can see here we had something more of a hammer, something like that. It's like a hammer. It's like a dragonfly doji. Not a dragonfly doji. It's like let me see, which candle would this be? Something like a hammer, because its body was pulled up, as you can see. So meaning sellers tried taking the markets down, but for some reason buyers had more momentum and dropped the markets back up. So that's like one sign. And then you have a big green candle which represents more buying pressure. And then you see we had the up back to the upper side. So as you can see, even just this is a valid trade, guys. It's a valid trade. So make sure, guys, to use the Ichimoku cloud. I'm going to let me even show you the settings for the Ichimoku cloud. These are the settings for the Ichimoku cloud. So you can see these are the settings. You can just leave them on default as they are. The 26 here, the 26 and 52, these are the moving average. And then we have this lagging span, which is this green line here. So this is a very, very good indicator, guys. As I've told you, I only use it to catch those reversals in the market and, you know, be able to catch 100 and plus pips from the market. So make sure, guys, if you have liked this video from the start to the end, you know what now Ichimoku cloud means. You know how we use it. We know what we have on the Ichimoku cloud, that we don't only have the Ichimoku cloud, we have also the moving average. So it's a combination of three things. We have this green line, we have the moving average, and also the Ichimoku cloud. So if you want to use the Ichimoku cloud effectively, add the RSI to see momentum from either the buyers or the sellers, guys. So if you have enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and we're bringing more and more content, guys, for you. We're going to be explaining all these other indicators to make forex very simple for you guys. See you in my next video. Peace.